Hello everyone, welcome to this next topic of Oracle user creation. I hope you have seen the previous videos and executed the commands also. Let us move ahead. So in the previous tutorial we have seen that there are two commands, select star from tab or select star from cat to see the list of tables. So as shown to you earlier, this was the first user that I am connected. Let me show you again that how it was connected. It was done through SQL Plus. I am typing username test, password. You can see show user. User is test, and this is another user. Let me connect it with another user. This is CSC ABCD. Now this is again connected. So there are two users. This is first user test and show user. Show user. This is C. So if I type here select star from tab, you can see the list of the table. It is coming around to be 165. If I type the same thing here, select star from tab, you can see the list is 49. Okay, so Oracle, the basic functionality of Oracle is based on users, and in under the user we create tables. So you can see there are 165 rows, there are certain rows. So as many as user you create, you can create tables in them. And whenever you have a separate project, you create a user for that project and your tables are kept in that user so that the tables are not mixed. So what we want now is to create your user, because as I told you, in Oracle there are some internal users like sys, system, HR. For example, if I try to connect with system, connect system, okay, and if I see the list of the table, select star from tab, you can see there are number of tables and these are internal tables, so you cannot use them or we should not work here in this user. So what we want, I want to create my own user which is blank and empty. So what I want to create a new user with no table so that I can start fresh. So please remember, whatever we will do, suppose you are developing a project for hospital, you will create a new user. Suppose you are developing a project for a library, you will create a new user. Suppose you are creating developing a new project for restaurant, you will create a new user. So that the tables of all projects are separated and they do not get mixed. Okay. So first of all, let how to see the list of users, you can see with this command. Okay, let me show you. Select star from all underscore users. So currently there are 34 users created in my laptop. It is because over a period of time I am teaching and I am using creating different kind of users like CSB, CSC, MC 2019, test and so on. Rest all are internal users, and you can see there are two names, sys and system, and sys has zero ID because it is the default user. Okay, so internally Oracle has number of users, so not all of them are used, but for internal purpose Oracle creates them. Okay, so what we will do now, we will create a new user so that you people can also create a user in your laptops, because suppose you people are connected with system in your laptops. I hope you all are connected with uh, system user in your laptops, and uh, I will suggest that please make notes. It is very important you note down each and everything in copy. So what we will do, we will see, I am typing here the thing which I am telling you. We will we will not create any table in system user. Okay, although there is no such rule, but please, uh, this system user is a reserved user, so we should not create any table in system user. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a new user. Is this thing clear? Now how to create a new user, there are certain steps to it. So let me show you steps. Steps for creating new user. ठीक है. तो step number 1 is login with system or sys user. So you know very well how to log in with system user. You need to log in with SQL Plus or something. You need to check show user. The user is system. So as you can see here, the username is coming system. So this is the first step we have done. Okay. Okay. So step 2 is what? What was step 2? Step 2 was confirm system user. How you will confirm system user? Yes, you know, by typing show user. Okay. Show user say kindly confirm that it is system. Now step number 3 is very simple. You will type create user. Okay. Create user. Now you will create user with your name. So what you can type? You can type create user MCA 2020. Okay. The name of the user has the same rule as a variable name. You cannot have a space. You cannot have special characters like a star, dot, something like this. And it should start with alphabet. Okay. So I have created a user called as MCA 2020. Moreover, no capital or small is required. So I will type in simple MCA 2020. Identified by whatever password you want to keep. So this is the command which you need to give. Okay, I am making it bold. This can be any name. Create user, your any name, but since we are in 2020 and MCA, so it's better you create this user. Identified by, please keep a very simple password because if you forget, again there will be a problem. You don't have to keep very confidential data in it. So please keep a very simple password. Identified by this. So let me copy this thing only and paste it there. Here. So I have typed create user MC 2020 identified by ABCD. Your screen should display user created. Okay. So the message should come user, a message should appear user created. Okay. I hope I will suggest that kindly do it in your laptop simultaneously. So user created means user has been created. But one important thing, try to type show user again. See what will happen. Show user. The user is still system. Okay. So only creating user does not mean you are logging into this because you are in system. So only you have created the user. Now suppose if you try to log in with this user, now see what will happen. Now to log in, what you have to do, you must be remembering. First, I need to disconnect. Even if it is not disconnect, I can type directly type connect. Now I will type connect MCA, or you can I can just type connect. Now I will type MCA 2020. Password I have given ABCD. Now see what will happen. It will not log in. See, it is saying MCA 2020 lacks create session privilege. Now what is this? This is a security feature of Oracle. See, I am again repeating. You were logged in with system. You have given create user command. User was created. You did show user. You are still in system. Then you type connect. You try to enter the username that you created, the password, but it does not allow you. And very important thing, warning, you are no longer connected to Oracle. Now, if you try to type again show user, the user is this. It means you are not connected. Now, why it has happened? Because of a security feature, only creating user will not allow you to log in. You need to give the permission to log in also. I suggest that kindly do this practice in your laptop so that you also face this kind of error. Then please move ahead. Pause the video, do this, and then move ahead. Okay. Once you are done with this, then see the video further. Okay. Now, what I told you that only creating user will not allow you to log in. Okay, so what do you need? You need to give login permission. So who can give permission? Who can give permission? Permission can be given by the user who created the new user. So what was that new user who created the user? Yes, system. So what you need to do? You need to again log in with system. Is this thing clear? Any doubt? So what has happened just now? Your user was not allowed to log in because you don't have permission. Although user was created, but you don't have permission. So now who can give permission? System can give permission. And right now what is happening? Show user is again I am typing show user. No user is connected. So what you will type again? Connect. Username system. Password whatever is the password. It is now showing connected. Okay. So I will type again show user. User is system. Now I will not write again create user because user has been already created. Okay, even if you try to type it again, let's see what will happen. Let me show you this. Even if you try to give it again, it will say user MCA 2020 conflict with another user. Please note down all these things. They are very, very important because user is also already created, but you don't have permission. So now we will give that permission. Let me check again that I am connected. Show user. Now we will give that permission. So what you need to do? You need to give permission. So how to give permission? Give permission to login. How can we give? You have to type grant resource comma connect to जिसको देनी है. Which user to whom you want to give the permission? That is MCA 2020. Okay, semicolon enter. So you need to grant resource and connect are two type of permissions that are granted to the user whom you want to give login permission. So I will type this command here. So what I have given grant resource comma connect to MCA 2020. So as soon as you will type, it is written grant succeeded. Your system should show this message. Okay. So now I will again type show user. You can see still the user is system. So what I will type? I will type again connect. Connect MCA 2020. Password ABCD. Now it is showing you connected. Okay. So now you can type show user. What is this? User is MCA 2020. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now if I type that command, select star from tab. Can anybody guess what will be displayed? Just wait for 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Can you guess what will be displayed? If somebody can guess right, he or she is on the right track. Yes, nothing will be displayed. Okay. Why nothing has been displayed? Because actually it is a fresh user and fresh user does not have any table. Whereas the earlier user that I have shown to you like this was the show user, this was user C, select star from tab. They were having 49 rows because over the period of time this user has created number of table. Whereas this user which we have created just now, show user again I am telling you, MJ 2020 select star from tab, it has no rows. No rows means no table has been created because this is the fresh user. So now onward what you have to do, please create a new user with the same name, okay, and do it till here. And now if you type that command, select star from all underscore users. So what you will see? You will see MCA 2020. This has been just now created. Now earlier I was having 34 rows. Now it is showing 35. Okay. So now there are 35 users in my system. I hope this is very clear to you. Please make note. Please try it out. Create a new user. Okay. All these things are very easy. If you have any kind of problem, kindly message me. You can call me. No issues, no problem. But please do it till this place. Okay, thank you very much. See you next video.